Hey there, fitness friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most classic exercises out there, the push-up. If you're a beginner looking to build strength, this is the perfect place to start. So follow our tricks, and let's get to it. The benefits of push-ups. First, let's talk about why push-ups are such an awesome exercise. Here are some benefits. Push-ups engage not just your chest, but also your shoulders, triceps, and even your core. You can do them anywhere. No gym. No problem. They mimic pushing movements you use in everyday life, making you stronger overall. There are tons of variations, so you can easily progress as you get stronger. Now, let's get into how to do a proper push-up. Getting into position. To set up for a push-up, start in a plank position. Here's how to do it. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart on the ground. Your feet should be together, toes tucked under. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine a plank of wood. Tighten your abs like you're preparing for a punch to the stomach. This keeps your hips from sagging. The descent. Now let's talk about the descent, which is crucial for proper form. Bend your elbows to about 45 degrees, keeping them close to your body. Lower yourself down slowly and with control. Look a few inches in front of you, not straight down, to maintain a neutral neck position. Aim to lower your chest to just above the ground without touching it. This ensures you're working your muscles effectively. The ascent. Now, for the ascent, press through your palms, engaging your chest and arms to lift your body back up. Fully extend your arms at the top without locking your elbows to maintain tension. Your body should maintain that straight line as you return to the starting position. Remember to exhale as you push up and inhale as you lower down. Common mistakes to avoid. Now that you know how to do a push-up, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. If your hips drop, you're not engaging your core properly. Keep that line straight. Keep your elbows close to your body to protect your shoulders and maximize your workout. Always remember to breathe. Holding your breath can make the exercise much harder. Move slowly and with control. Rushing through the movement can lead to poor form and potential injury. Variations for beginners. If regular push-ups feel too challenging, don't worry. Here are some beginner variations to help you build strength. Start in the same position, but with your knees on the ground. This reduces the weight you're pushing. Use a sturdy surface like a bench or a table. Place your hands on the elevated surface and do the push-up from there. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height and perform the push-up by leaning in and pushing back out. And there you have it. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength. Remember to start slow and focus on form. As you get stronger, feel free to try different variations to keep things exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness tips. And share your progress with us in the comments below. Keep pushing forward, and we'll see you next time.